In this video, I'll show you how you can balance the all-new Zhiyun Smooth Q3 to get perfect results. Hey, what's up guys, Julian from smartphonefilmmakingpro.com here, the ultimate online course about smartphone filmmaking. And first of all, I wanted to say thank you for all your nice comments and the feedback that I got on the review video of the Zhiyun Smooth Q3 and also the comparison to the DJI OM4. In case you have not seen any of those videos, make sure to click the annotation above. But like I said, thank you very much. I very much appreciate it. And I also appreciate it that you guys check out smartphonefilmmakingpro.com. But let's get that out of the way, and I would say let's hop into the box and let's balance the Zhiyun Smooth Q3. So I have it here inside of my carrying case, and we just take it out, and actually all we need is the gimbal itself. And for the balancing part, I also always like to use the table tripod. So we'll put this aside, and the very first thing that I would do is I would connect the table tripod onto the gimbal. So let's just screw this in. Then you can unfold the legs so that it can stand on its own. And this is actually how your gimbal looks when you unbox it for the very first time. The first thing that you need to do is you need to unlock the screw here and slide this little extension pole, or however you call this, to the top until it locks, and then you also lock the screw so that it is safely. Next up, when you use the gimbal for the very first time, this is all very stiff because it's actually locked. What you need to do is you need to turn it to the right and also this to the right, and now this is all movable. So as you can see, you can now move this around. And actually at the top here you have a little sticker, and it tells you on which side your cameras should be. So I'm using the iPhone 12 Pro as an example, and it tells me that the lenses should be on this side. So the next thing that we need to do is we need to just spread these clamps and put the phone into it. So let's do this. And now I just release my phone, and as you can see, it's falling behind. So that means we need to adjust this up and down movement right here. So as you can see, I'll now just put it all the way down, and now you can see it's falling over. So we put it up a little bit, even a little more, and our goal is when we are sliding this up and down, our goal is that the phone stays without falling over in any direction. So actually just a little more, and as you can see, this is actually looking pretty good. I'll just show you what it would look like if this part of the balance would be off. So I'm just sliding it to the left a little bit, and as you can see now the phone is falling over. So we actually just slide it back a little bit. It's not enough, even a little more. That was too much. And that is actually the entire balancing part. The next thing, and the only thing left that you need to do, is you need to just press this button at the back here. Wait a second. And you are good to go. So as you can see, actually it's super simple. There is not too much going on. What I can say is that it does get a little more complicated when you have a bigger phone. So if you are using, for example, a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra or an iPhone 12 Pro Max or whatever big phone that you're using, it does get a little more complicated, but the principles will always be the same. You just, unlock the screw, slide it to the top, lock the screw, then you clamp your phone into the gimbal, and then you slide it to the top or down, which means you slide it up and down, and also to the left and to the right until it stays in its position without falling over. And then, well, you can actually start shooting, and you can start creating cinematic and awesome looking shots. And in case you are struggling with your smartphone filmmaking, you should definitely check out Smartphone Filmmaking Pro. We are the ultimate online course about smartphone filmmaking. We currently have over 65 videos and well over 7 hours of super high valuable content inside our online smartphone film school. We teach you everything that you need to know when it comes to filming with your smartphone. The actual filming process, what gear do you need, how do you edit footage, how can you edit it on a smartphone, how can you edit it on a computer, and also some creative techniques to spice up your videos. We currently have over 200 members from all over the world, and we're excited to also welcome you inside our new online course. If you want to find out more information about our online course, about who we are, definitely check out the first link below that like button. That will bring you to our totally free webinar where I share the top 5 secrets to shooting cinematic videos with your smartphone. But yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you got some value out of it. And as always, if you guys have any further questions, make sure to contact me and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.